So good morning everyone and welcome to another video. Now, where am I going today? Well, I'm going down near Tamworth to East Midlands Triumph to see Freddie Dobbs's Bonneville being unveiled by Joe at the Wurks after it's been fully restored to its former glory. So it's 5:43 in the morning, sun's just coming up and it's really early, but it's nice and cool. It's meant to hit 21-22 degrees today, so it should be a good trip down, except for 3 hours of motorway. So I'll cut back in when we get down and off the motorway. But first, I think I need to fill up with fuel and grab myself a coffee. So if you're interested in Freddie's bike and the unveiling, getting it back, I do know that they're on the DGR heading from East Midlands Triumph to Triumph at Hinckley. So yeah, if you're interested in that, be right back.
And can I just say thank you so much everyone for coming. Hugely appreciate it. It's so kind of you to come. And I so thank you everyone.
We are here 6 months in, I think.
6 months.
And yeah, a lot of hours, but I hope.
I was only expecting you to fix the top section of the engine, just to do that like everybody else. So that's all I'm expecting. Standard bike, just with a Fred fix.
Everything from the rock.
With a patina.
Trying to get the bill down. Where is the and
No, I can't say too much, but
I just want to see it.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. You've been out, have you one?
This bike I was ready to scrap. Literally, this was ready for the scrap, and I'd accepted that I would probably never ride it again. So today we had to get back. Bars, rapid doors. The bars! Oh, he's letting me know. I've done 200 miles on this bike. Literally haven't been there. It's been in and out of garages.
Okay, so that was the unveiling of Freddie's rejuvenated motorcycle by Joe at the Wurks, and it looks absolutely superb. So Joe and the Wurks and Emily, you've made a really fantastic job of Freddie's Bonneville there. Really beautiful, brought it back to life. And I just said to Freddie before I left, just make sure you keep it clean. And that's all I ask. But yeah, real beautiful bike again. Now, while I didn't do the DGR down to Triumph at Hinckley, I've got too much to do at home today, so it was just a flying visit really to get down, catch up with Freddie, and also see the bike unveiled. So I think it's been 6 months since he had his Bonneville taken off the road and started on by Joe. But yeah, a good day, and I'm glad to say the weather's up to 19 degrees now, which it was 10 degrees when I set off this morning. So it's quite cool, so I'm happy I brought the Tiger with the big screen, heated grips and heated seat. And yeah, they had a lot of nice bikes at the Triumph dealership there, just in Tamworth. Now, it was quite difficult to film because there was so many people there. There was probably 150 plus come to see it and also attend the DGR. But yeah, all the same, it's nice to get out on the bike and just have a trip down somewhere, even though it was just motorway on the way down this morning. And also really nice to meet a load of subscribers, so thank you very much for coming over and saying hi. And also it was great to see Richard and Carol from Bandit Man UK. Great to finally meet you. And it was sad to see that Monica wasn't with Freddie today. I believe she's got an ear infection, so get well soon, Monica. So thanks again for tuning in, folks. I know it's been a quick video, little run out to see the unveiling, but much appreciated. And if you're not a subscriber to the channel, and hit that subscribe button, and also if you can give us a big like, folks, much appreciated. And we'll catch you on another video soon. Take care. Ciao for now.